Hi folks, my name is Nitin and I am a professional percussionist and your Cajon coach if you get yourself enrolled for this session. I have been formally trained by one of the best trainers from Peru. And after having trained close to 8,000 students over a period of 20 years, I know exactly what you're looking for. To be able to play this wonderful musical instrument in only 12 hours. You heard me right, only 12 hours. Irrespective of you're a beginner or you have already tried your hands on this musical instrument and you want to brush up your skills to be able to play this musical instrument much better than what you're doing right now, then this course is for you folks. So to begin with, we will start with basics of Cajon. How do you sit on this Cajon? Where do you need to hit to be able to produce what kind of sound? How do you get the bass? How to get the treble and the mid sounds from this wonderful instrument? We will also learn various techniques to be able to produce different kind of tones and sounds from this instrument. We will explore various types of grooves, fills and different genres, and we will also experiment with some advanced learning techniques like foot muting and ghost notes. Not only this, but we will also ensure that by end of the 12th hour of your learning, you will be able to jam with various songs and create your own groove. So we'll show you best of the best learning from this wonderful model that we've created. So what's the wait? Get yourself enrolled for this session and let me be your coach. I wish you happy learning.